Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be out here and we're going to swap out this stock exhaust for this bad boy over here. We're going to unbox it in a second and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And forgive my working surface. Unfortunately, I'm between places right now and I don't really have a nice garage to work out of. But we're going to clean this thing up a little bit, make it look a little less ugly and sound a whole lot better. As you guys know, the stock exhausts on the YZ250Fs aren't so great. They got a really nasty kind of raspy and canny sound to them, and you know, they're really loud. So we're gonna try and get rid of that and clean it up a little. So this is the system that we ended up going with. I wasn't originally gonna go for the full titanium because it was just obnoxiously expensive, but you know, whatever. When in Rome, I guess. It's the last time I had one of these was on an 09, and it didn't have the resonance chamber technology on it. It was just basically your mid pipe to your can. But see, it's supposed to make it a little bit quieter, which for most people isn't what they want. But for me out here and doing some trail rides and stuff like that, it's nicer when it's quieter. And we're definitely going to be running the insert that came with it, but we're going to do a video without it in too. So this is what it sounds like at idle. Definitely it's not the most quiet of machines, but so this is just it with the shroud removed. I really don't understand how these mufflers have gotten so much larger over time and still weigh a ton, yet make these machines so loud. You know, I mean, it's been a common complaint with the YZ that it's just an obnoxiously loud machine, and the note of the exhaust is just not pleasant. And you know, back in 09, I don't think that the muffler was much smaller than this, and it was just as loud. So we'll see. So you can get a good size comparison between the two of them. The stock exhaust in here obviously is quite a bit larger than the FMF, but I guess because of the RCT tech down on the bottom over here, that they can quieten it up and keep the can a little bit not as wide around. The circumference of the FMF is much smaller, and the height. So let's put this on and see how it goes. So guys, this is what it looks like all mounted up. Looking pretty good, looking pretty sweet. Little side note though that I wanted to tell you is that you have to loosen this band and heat shield over here to kind of wiggle the header around a little bit so that it fits the way it's supposed to. I was having a hard time getting the exhaust bolts, mounting bolts lined up here specifically to mount it without loosening the head wraparound pipe on the other side. This guy. So now we're gonna mount that up and start her up. So we got the exhaust installed on this now. I will say this, it does not seem remarkably any quieter than the stock exhaust, and it might be even louder off of idle, but it definitely took that raspy, tinny sound that was in the stock exhaust side of it, but now it's just fucking loud. So, see what happens. I'm gonna put the quick quieter insert into it and see if it makes any difference. I'm sure it will, because it's quite a bit more stuffled up with the spark arrestor in it, and stuffled is a word I just made up apparently. But it looks good. It looks sick, man. It looks factory. Looks cool. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, after what seems like about a century, I was able to get the quiet core insert in there. It's not the hottest looking thing, but we'll see how much of a difference it makes with how quiet it is. Obviously I'm just going off of what I can hear, but it's noticeably quieter off Vital. Looks like all mounted up. I didn't realize that you have to lose the U-bolt off of here to hold the heat shield on. It doesn't fit with the FMF exhaust on it, so it's no big deal.